wooden sittings recipe. I'm carrying too much stuff. Okay. I keep accidentally getting stuff. That's not what I want. Trace of Pokemon. How to build a new habitat. I haven't discovered this habitat yet. Dude, this is like blocking my way. Fishing rod, ocean water, and the seat. So I need to build more seats. But first of all, my place is... I don't have enough stuff. I still haven't figured out where to get leaves. It's not good. I'm gonna get a slice of toast and some strawberries. That sounds good. Need to water 4 more trees. I need to make 1 more habitat. Okay. I probably need to eat some apples too. Okay. Let me put away some stuff. Put away this, put away this. Put away the walkway. Put away that for now. And let's build some stools. Let's build 3. Hi corn dog, how are you? 我琴日見到人哋食 this rice， 佢嗌咗油麥菜同埋番茄炒蛋咯。Like no meat, no meat, bro. The goal of the escape room was to get a vaccine. Did you succeed? Dude, it's lagging. It keeps lagging. What's wrong? Oh yeah.我個電腦 keeps lagging， 食少少又唔想食嘅，通常直接 this rice 就算。this 太多。We did, but it was over the 但係咯，佢嗌 this rice， 但係冇用，係咪嘥咗啲錢咁啊？It doesn't seem like a waste. Like it's not worth the money when he didn't get the thing. Can I change houses later? Ah, shit. Dang. I'll put another piece of grass here. 都唔係嘅，食唔食肉都好，但係好似唔係好抵咁樣咯。You know what I mean? What are you guys doing, bro? Follow me. This is way 另一個重點係懶得煮，都係嘅，但係唔係 like，you know， 好似有啲好似唔夠飽咁樣咯。 番茄炒蛋加咩嘢 ？Look, don't you see my... Look at my house. Let's split up. Look. Okay. So what else do I have to do? 我仲要做啲乜嘢呢？普通人係唔夠飽，係咯。你唔覺得 this rice 邊個 is this rice is Hong Kong Panda Express. Complete. Do I need one more Pokemon and one more habitat? I already placed the dill flag, bro. I already did. I placed it. I did, bro. I did put it there. Am I supposed to put it on top of it? Hub fan, yeah. A fan hub. Kinda. Wait, is this not where I'm supposed to put it? Oh, I'm supposed to put it up there.